Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the insane beauty product that's $10 that I literally cannot stop buying. Are you ready? Let's get this beauty started. All right, so before I start the video, I'm going to tell you, since I'm wearing something new, I am going to show you, I showed it on Instagram, but Shanta Kai sent me this beautiful packaging with the turtle. They did a collaboration with the Amazon to save the turtles. And this is the cool palette that I'm using today. I wanted to try it out and I think it looks really pretty, but it's something different. So I wanted to mention it. And I have my dark chocolate eyeliner on. I just used my lip liner Cameo and I put Manifest and Glow over. I thought it was really nice and just really kind of natural. Remember, you could always use your lip liner as a lipstick and then gloss over. I wanted to share with you something that I found that I was very impressed with. I was very shocked and I thought that it would not work. And that is the semi-cured gel nail that I've been doing since November. It's from Dashing Diva. I found it at the drugstore and I have always been, since high school, obsessed with my nails. I was always known as the French manicure girl. My girlfriends used to make fun of me. Like, we would go to the salon and I could never do anything but a French manicure. It was like my thing. And then I ventured into color polishes. And then because my thumbnail would crack really, really low on the side, my manicurist would put a little acrylic. And the acrylic then turned from just my thumb to all of my nails. That's how I got into acrylic back in the day, in my 20s. And then that lasted not very long, less than a year. I soaked them off myself. Oh my gosh, what was I thinking? In so much pain. I hated how my nails felt. I had to go to hard gel to like protect them, to let them grow out. Oh my gosh, I would never do that again. And then I did gel nails when they came out. And then I went into dip because my hands were always in water. So as an esthetician, I was looking for something that would be longevity. I didn't have to go to the salon all the time. And then in 2022, in February, I told you on this channel, I just had it. I just couldn't force myself to go and get gel manicures anymore. Not even gel, the dip. I was doing dip. I hated it. I hated the drilling. I hated all the fuzzies in the air from the drilling and the scraping. And I just didn't enjoy myself. I found it to be a real chore. It was getting more and more expensive. And I was like, I'm going to just go back to doing my own nails. So I literally went back to doing natural nails. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have to wait for my polish to dry. And I was like, oh, it doesn't look perfect. So I kept researching. I tried a bunch of different nail polishes from Chanel to Hermes to Essie, like all of the ones. Dazzle Dry I did, which was wonderful. I do love polish still, but I do like longevity. And I love not having to always keep having to change. My hands are always on camera up close and they have to look good. So it's an accessory for me. I always love a red. I love a red nail just like I love a red lip. So I decided to start doing gel from Bio Sculpture, which I loved, but I was literally, painting it with the brush and taking it out of the pot and doing this whole thing. It's a professional product. And it was great last year, except for when we started to move and it got hectic in the holidays and I was just so tired and I was just like, oh my gosh, I have to do this whole process. I just can't do it. So I was looking for an alternative and I was at CVS and I saw this package again and I thought, you know what? I'm just going to try it. I felt like I was going to be disappointed. I kept thinking, I know I'm going to be disappointed. Like I bought this and I'm going to do it. I'm going to be upset, but I pushed myself to do it. It was $10. Actually, this one I think was $14 because it was considered a design. So I did it and I was like, you can't be serious. Like, you can't be serious. Like, this is so easy. The big thing is how taking it off, right? So I'm going to start with that first. You have to see, because last night I took off my red. I'm doing a project, so I wanted to have more of a natural nail on. So I only had these on for a week, so they were perfect. I could have kept them on for another week and a half or so. But what I did was I did a lot of research online to figure out what is the best way to remove these and the easiest way. And this is what I came up with. So there is a company called Aura. I think that's what it's called. It's called Pro Easy Peel Remover. Got this on Amazon. It's in a dropper. I just go to the base of my cuticle and drop a couple of drops there and wait a minute or two. Now, this is the key element that you need to have. So these are called plackers. These are basically floss. You see these on the ground everywhere. I don't know why. It's still a mystery to me. But you get one of these. And you'll see it has the floss here. It's a little tool. And once it is ready, you just pull it under and it literally will just pull off the nail with this little placker. It's beautiful. It is so easy. No damage, no nothing. The whole thing just comes off. And then you'll have like the residual kind of, it's almost like a rubber cement kind of feeling like on the nail. And I just take my little buffer and I'll buff it down, and there's no damage to my nails. My nails are still trying to recover from all that gel that I was doing. And then I take a file and I'll just file my nails. I can do a little bit of a cuticle if I want to. I have this cuticle gel remover. It's 45 seconds from Flowery. And then I will also clean off my nails with cleansing alcohol. This is with tea tree and lavender. This is from Oxygen. I'm not quite sure. I don't know where I got this. Maybe a beauty supply. And so I'll do a regular just prepping manicure. Very simple, nothing too much. I like short nails. I like natural nails. This is my favorite color. It's called Real Red. It's gorgeous, looks beautiful, and it's perfect. I did a Instagram reel for it. You cannot get polish that looks this good. Like, you can't paint your nails this good. This is literally like a sticker, and then you put it on. So I'm going to show you how it comes. I already used this, but this is basically how they come. They come in a long strip like this. You find the size for your nail. I like to cut mine up and I'll place them on the paper towel, like from my pinky to my thumb. So I know here they all are. And then I will place them on. You just peel them off of this clear, place it on your finger, smooth it down, and it's going to be longer than your nail. If you have short nails like me, take your little scissor or a nail clipper and you cut that off as close to the nail as possible. And then they give you, I got a couple free ones because the holiday, I guess they had this promotion. They have their LED mini lamp. How great is this for travel? A wedding coming up, or you have a black tie, or you're traveling, or you're on an extended vacation and you want to be able to do your own nails. This is just incredible. This is what it looks like. It's a USB. Is this like so cute and convenient? You have this little lamp, and so you do it like this and it cures to your nail. It's such a no-brainer. So if you don't want to be spending tons of money at the salon, this is your alternative. I have to tell you, I honestly can't stop buying them. My sister-in-law came over the other day and I was giving her a couple because I had so many of these little lights, and she's like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? I said, I have so many things that I have to like shoot for or do. I need options. Like, this is so amazing. I can switch my nails as often as I want. Inexpensive. I love it. And I never was into nail art before. It's just not my thing, but I have bought some nail art because how easy. If I don't love it, I can take it off in a week or a couple days, or I'll love it and I leave it on for 2 to 3 weeks. I'm just having such a ball. So I wanted to show you that they have a bare collection, which is great for you ladies that want to have a beautiful nail that's natural. This is, what is this color called? Powder Blush is what I have on now. Are we looking at how beautiful this is? Shiny, perfect. So they have a bare collection that I got. I got Blush Babe. I got Rose Val. I got Bone Nude, Strawberry Rosé. They have some really beautiful ones in this bare collection. My tried and true favorite, of course, is the Real Red that I wear all the time. You'll see it in a lot of my Instagram reels and my photos and what have you. I love this color, but I just wanted to bring this to you ladies because this is the easiest thing to do, to feel incredible, to look down. Your hands touch everything. That's my thing. You put on your makeup, you see your hands in the mirror. Go to pay for something, you pull out your credit card, you're touching, products, or you're in the grocery store. I just think it's just so feminine, so beautiful. And why not do something for yourself that makes you feel good, makes you feel feminine, makes you feel pretty? It makes me feel that way. So I know that there's other women out there that would feel the same way. Let me know in the comments below. Do you do your own nails? Do you love doing your nails? Have you tried the semi-cured Dashing Diva? There are other brands out there on Amazon, what have you. The quality is a little bit different than Dashing Diva. I think that is the holy grail of the semi-cured from what I've experienced. But do you think this is interesting? Is this something you're going to try? Let me know in the comments below. And until my next video, I'll see you later.